Oh, hey, come on in.
So when you first walk in, you see my couch, my bed, and this is one of my favorite times of the day. I call it golden hour, where the sun kind of ripples through my apartment. I really, really love these big, big windows the apartment came with. They let a lot of light in. Um, and here's my peace lily. Love having plants in my apartment. And here's just a little overview of the living room. Love the arch. Let's move on to my closet, which is another big component of this apartment. I love that it has a walk-in closet. Never had one of these before. I'm actually in the process of moving, so that's why it's not very full because I'm just packing up my clothes. But I love this open concept walk-in closet. It's even got a nice window. We can let some nice light in. This studio has a lot of windows. There's lots of light coming in, which is really important to me. I love a light, airy space. So yeah, that is my walk-in closet. Really love this concept. I think the two open doors really allow the space to feel a little bit more open, since it is a studio. I've got my shoes down here, my little setup, my hamper, and I've really enjoyed having this nice walk-in closet. I really, really loved it. Move on to, this is kind of the view from the couch, which is where I spend a lot of my time. There's my kitchen, and yeah, I love hanging out on the couch. And as you can see, it's very, very light, very, very airy, and I really love this apartment. It's super special. I've loved living here. Um, and like I said, I spend a lot of time on my couch. And here we have the kitchen. She is small, but she is mighty, folks. I feel like for a studio apartment, this kitchen is pretty spacious. I've got a lot of, oh, there goes my pothos. We live for pothos. I've got a few here in my apartment. But yeah, we've got a lot of cabinet storage, pretty basic standard kitchen. Got my fridge. I've got my little rack here with my additional appliances and some extra food. And here's just an overview of the kitchen. Yeah, I feel like it is really large for a studio apartment. I love my kitchen. I'm grateful for its size. And next, we'll move on to El Baño, the bathroom, which is, again, small but mighty, folks. Not a whole lot to see here, but it does its purpose. Got a little medicine cabinet going on. And, yeah, I do enjoy this bathroom. The apartment really comes to life in the nighttime. As you can see, this apartment is a nighttime apartment. I've adorned the walls with these beautiful twinkle lights, which just give it a very cozy, cozy vibe. And I love spending time in my apartment at nighttime, whether it's watching movies, having a little date night, making dinner. I really love this apartment at night. As you can see, um, it's super cute. I feel like if you put twinkle lights in any space, it makes it cute. But I feel like my place is extra cute. I've got my little salt lamp on, and yeah, I really, really love this apartment at night. I hope you get some inspo from this little tour. And yeah, I had fun filming this. I really did. As you can see, we're going through the details. Oh, my other little pothos. So cute. I've got my little nightstand here, my little bamboo plant. And yeah, I love hanging out here. I've got some magazines on my coffee table, essential. And it is just so cozy. So cozy. So yeah, thanks for coming along my little apartment tour. I hope you've enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Do you have a studio apartment? Do you not have a studio apartment? Do you like my studio apartment? Do you not like my studio apartment? And I'll see you guys in my next video.